Communication is the foundation of human connection. It's the key to building relationships, influencing decisions, and creating lasting change. But effective communication is more than just words. It's about understanding the subtle cues of human behavior and using them to create deep rapport with anyone you meet. That's where Neuro-Linguistic Programming, or NLP, comes in. NLP is like a user manual for the brain. It gives you powerful tools and techniques to decode the language of the subconscious mind and communicate with others on a deeper level. In this essay, we'll explore the core concepts of NLP that can transform your communication skills, especially those focused on building rapport. We'll delve into the power of sensory acuity, the importance of mirroring and matching, and the magic of representational systems. Get ready to unlock the secrets of human communication and unleash your full potential as a master communicator. Imagine walking into a room and instantly connecting with everyone you meet. Their faces light up, their bodies relax, and you feel an undeniable sense of trust and understanding. This is the power of rapport. Rapport is the foundation of effective communication. It's about creating a state of harmony and connection where both parties feel heard, understood, and respected. And the first step to building rapport is developing sensory acuity. Sensory acuity is the ability to sharpen your senses and become acutely aware of the subtle cues people give off through their physiology. It's about paying attention to their breathing, their skin color, the muscle tension in their face, even the slight dilation of their pupils. These subtle cues are like a secret language, revealing their thoughts, feelings, and internal states. By learning to read these signals, you can gain valuable insights into their world and tailor your communication to match their needs, building instant rapport. Once you've sharpened your sensory acuity, you can begin to consciously utilize powerful NLP techniques like mirroring and matching. This isn't about mimicking or being inauthentic, it's about subtly aligning your behavior with theirs to create a sense of unconscious connection. Mirroring is about reflecting back the other person's body language, posture, and gestures. If they lean forward, you subtly lean forward too. If they cross their legs, you mirror the movement. Matching, on the other hand, involves aligning your tonality, tempo, and even their breathing patterns. Are they speaking quickly and excitedly? Match their energy. Are they speaking slowly and deliberately? Slow down your pace to match theirs. These subtle shifts in your behavior create a powerful sense of subconscious rapport, making the other person feel seen, heard, and understood. As you master these techniques, you'll start noticing the indicators of rapport: synchronized gestures, genuine smiles, and a natural flow of conversation. You'll find yourself pacing their experience, acknowledging their reality before gently leading them towards new perspectives. Finally, understanding representational systems adds another layer to your communication mastery. People experience the world through their senses: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, olfactory, and gustatory. By paying attention to the language they use, I see what you mean. That sounds good, I feel you. You can identify their primary representational system. Tailoring your communication to match their preferred system creates a powerful connection, making them feel understood on a deeper level. Master these NLP techniques and you'll unlock the secrets of exceptional communication, building deep rapport and creating lasting impact in all areas of your life.